The P0335 code indicates a malfunction in your vehicle's crankshaft position sensor circuit. This sensor is crucial for engine timing, fuel injection, and overall synchronization. The code means the engine control module isn't receiving the correct signals from the CKP sensor, which can lead to engine problems. Let's look at the crankshaft position sensor location and how it connects to the engine control module. The crankshaft position sensor monitors the crankshaft's rotational speed and position using a magnetic or Hall effect device. It reads a reluctor ring, which is a toothed wheel attached to the crankshaft. This data is sent to the engine control module to control fuel injection, ignition timing, and variable valve timing. Essentially, it tells the engine when to fire and how much fuel to use. A common symptom of a P0335 code is a no-start condition, where the engine fails to start despite turning the key. Another symptom is rough idling, where the engine runs unevenly or shakes at idle speed. The vehicle may experience stalling, where the engine suddenly stops while driving or at idle. An illuminated check engine light often appears, indicating a fault detected by the system. The engine may exhibit reduced power with sluggish acceleration or overall poor performance. Additional symptoms include engine misfires, where cylinders fail to fire properly, or erratic running behavior. These symptoms can also indicate other problems, so proper diagnosis is key. The P0335 code can be caused by several issues beyond just the sensor. While a faulty crankshaft position sensor accounts for 30 to 50% of cases, other common causes include damaged wiring harnesses, problems with the reluctor ring, such as bent teeth, oil contamination of the sensor, ECM failure, and environmental factors like extreme heat or moisture. These causes highlight why proper diagnostics are essential before replacing components. Before replacing the CKP sensor, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0335 code and check for related codes. Perform a visual inspection of the sensor and wiring. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's continuity, voltage, and resistance, typically 500,200 ohms. An oscilloscope can analyze the sensor's waveform. Often the problem is wiring or connectors, not the sensor itself. Wiring issues are a frequent cause of the P0335 code. Check for corroded connectors that can disrupt the signal. Inspect for loose or damaged wires in the harness. Repair or replace any faulty wiring to prevent unnecessary sensor replacements. Ensure proper grounding for the sensor circuit to maintain stable operation. Addressing wiring problems can resolve P0335 issues without replacing the sensor. Experts emphasize thorough diagnostics before replacing the sensor. A 2024 survey found that 65% of P0335 diagnoses involved wiring problems, not the sensor. Average repair costs range from $150 to $400, but wiring fixes are cheaper. Sensors typically last 100,000 to 150,000 miles, but failure rates increase in older vehicles. P0335 will become less common in new vehicles as EVs gain popularity. It will remain relevant in older ICE vehicles. Advancements include smarter sensors with self-diagnostic capabilities and AI-driven predictive maintenance to prevent failures. Eco-friendly repairs focus on recycling and remanufacturing sensors to reduce waste.